Hello guys, today we are doing a manual transmission fluid change on this Hyundai ix20. I have already prepared the car, so as you can see it is on quick check, it's lifted. If you don't have the quick check, no problem, you can use regular jack stands, just make sure the car is on a level surface. So I have already removed the front left wheel, as you can see, and I removed a plastic trim cover which is here. It is held by 6 bolts, 6 10mm bolts. You probably don't even need to remove this, as you will have access to the drain and fill plug. I removed it because I can show you where the things are better on the video with removing it. So let's check from underneath the car. Here we are from underneath. As you can see, this is the drain plug. It's a size 17mm bolt, and here further up is the fill plug. It is also a size 17mm bolt. First break loose the fill plug, then the drain plug. You just break it loose to see if you can break it loose, because if you are not able, then if you drain the fluid from your transmission, you won't be able to refill it, and that's a big problem. So I'm gonna use a transfer pump to fill the transmission with fluid. I'll show you what kind of transfer pump I have. This is the 5-speed manual transmission, and it takes 1.9 liters of 75W85 transmission fluid. So first break loose the fill plug with a 17mm hex socket. Okay, now it is loose. We can break loose the drain plug and let all the fluid drain. Okay, this is loose as well. Now we can unscrew it and let the oil drain. You can unscrew the fill plug so that it will drain faster. As you can see, now it got air, so it will drain a lot faster. What you could also do is to measure all the fluid which came out from the transmission, and you put back exactly the same amount as came out, so that way you know you filled out with the correct amount of fluid. But the manual says it takes 1.9 liters of 75W85 grade oil. Once all the fluid is drained, you can put back the drain plug and then fill the transmission with oil. You fill it up from here. I'm not gonna use the transfer pump because my transmission fluid container has a nozzle, so I can fill it up. Basically, you either fill 1.9 liter or you fill till it starts to flowing out from this hole, and then you know you have enough, and you can tighten the drain plug, the fill plug as well, and you are done with the job. So here is the transmission fluid. It is 75W85, and as I said, it has this nozzle, so I can fill it up through this, and I don't need to use a transfer pump. So fill up the transmission with fluid. So it is starts to flow out now, so I can tighten the fill plug. And that's it. You are done with the job. You replaced or changed your transmission fluid in a Hyundai ix20. It is a 1.4 petrol and a 5-speed manual gearbox. You can find this gearbox in different models as well, such as an i20. So basically the same procedure applies to that gearbox or to that model as well. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one. Bye.